Hey y'all, so if I was on this management team and I had to downsize them by two people, some things I took into consideration were how long they'd been with the company, how much money they made, their experience and their job skills, um, and just their family demographics and who they were supporting. So my first decision was um, kind of based on the job skill level. So I decided I would get rid of Amy. She'd only been there for 1 year, um, and she's married but had no kids. So and her skill level was average. So I decided that she would be probably the first one to go when comparing to the other ones, looking at just average skill level and who they were financially supporting. In the second one, I had a little more trouble looking at who could possibly go, and I decided that Bob would be the second to go because his kids were already grown, um, and out of the house, and his level was good, um, but and he only has 2 years of experience. So I decided to keep those that would had more seniority and been there for longer, um, just based on that. And there was another girl who I was looking at, had also only been there for 2 years, but she had excellent um, job skills. So I figured she would be a more vital asset to the company. So yeah, I decided that I would cut Amy and Bob.